Fabstation's made my life easier for the reason that we are able to spot the mistakes earlier, and instead of using tape measures and squares without going through all the extra hassle. Other use cases I've discovered along the way are using the 3D view of whatever I'm checking, especially when raising issues as such, like missing cleats or plates are in the wrong spot. It makes it a lot easier knowing that that feature is still there and continues to do so.
The other use cases I've found was the 3D viewer. It's very helpful to show other people the problems that have shown up.
Did spot some bolt holes in trusses that were out of line, and I did bring it up to one of the line leaders, and we got that fixed in the end, which is one of the beneficial moments and also why I'm thankful for using Fabstation.
I found Fabstation helpful even just today. We had a few problems with the cleats being on the wrong side, and it was very easy to spot that with the Fabstation. For me, it was very easy to learn the AR, as I'm pretty new.
The thing I like most about Fabstation is using the AR technology very easily and fluently throughout whatever task I'm about to do.
Fabstation definitely makes it a lot harder to make some mistakes.